product over here I would like to share it with you. It's an alarm clock with wireless charger, and I received this for evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This clock is very nicely designed. It looks very elegant with the wood finish, and it's provided with the large display and big numbers that is very easy to see. The numbers are dimmable. It's also designed with the built-in light, which is also dimmable, and it's provided with 7 different colors, so you can choose the one you like the best. It's also designed with dual alarm and very loud alarm sound, which is great for heavy sleepers. The volume is adjustable, and it's also designed with the snooze button. And the operation is very simple. All the control buttons are located on the top of the clock. Besides that, it has an amazing feature, wireless charging, which is located on the top, so you can simply just place your phone to charge, which is very convenient. And it also has a USB-A port at the back, so you can charge another device as well. This wireless charging alarm clock is a great choice. I love the quality and look of it, and it's very simple to use. Definitely a great addition to any bedroom. And it comes in very nice packaging, and I'm sure it will be a very nice gift idea for your loved ones, for your parents, grandparents, kids, or anyone else. I like it very much, and I would highly recommend it to you.